Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI OSMO Mobile 2 unboxing, we'll have that coming right up. Any day you receive a box on it with a return label marked DJI is a great day. Well, today was a great day as I received a DJI OSMO Mobile 2. So we're going to get right into the unboxing right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the OSMO Mobile 2. I actually went ahead and pre-scored the cellophane to make that easier to take off. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Now that that's off, I'm going to use butter knife and let's break the seal here. And right on the top looks like we have a set of instructions for the OSMO Mobile 2, and then we have the case that it comes in. And this is a very nice case. See, it has DJI on it. Let's go ahead and open that up. And there it is. It's a very nice case. You can see here's the OSMO Mobile 2 itself. Let's go ahead and get that out. It's a pack of silica gel. And the USB cord to charge that with. Now, looking at the startup guide, I will need to install the DJI Go app on my mobile device. I'm also going to head and show you how to go ahead and charge the USB port. You can take a look at the device here. The USB port is right here. Let's go ahead and plug this cable in. And then we will go ahead and plug this in to my computer and let the DJI OSMO Mobile 2 charge up. The DJI OSMO Mobile 2 retails for $139 on DJI.com, and I'll drop a link in the description for you to check that out. Question of the day, do you have a DJI OSMO Mobile 2? And if you do, how do you like it? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content of today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily technology updates, my Twitter account, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day for technology.